Welcome. My name is Thomas LEDFORD. I'm here to talk about this free, awesome workshop that's coming up starting tomorrow, 12 Eastern Time, 11 o'clock Central, if you're in the Central State or part of the world. And this workshop is designed and created through my mentor and my coach, Steph Perez, who's been in the industry for 12 years. And so I already had a brick and mortar business for 2007, and I ran across her in 2014. And her and several other leaders that was online, and so I had to find someone who could help me take my brick and mortar business and show me how to leverage it and package certain things around it on the internet. And she came up with her own program that showed entrepreneurs who either already had a business in place how to leverage it by using the internet, or B, for people who already had skills, knowledge, passion around something who wanted to be able to take that and package it up and make a business out of it. Was what she helped entrepreneurs do today. And so I'm grateful for running into her and being a part of her life and her transformation inside of her business that allowed me to see the transformation inside my business. Because tax preparation is my skills I have, but as far as that, that's as far as I could take my own business, I could provide the service of tax preparation for my clients. As far as taking it to a whole nother level, I even had 2 or 3 locations and things of that nature, but if I was taking it to a whole new level by leveraging the internet, I did not do no more. So this workshop will definitely give you clarity if you already have a business that you want to bring and utilize and leverage the internet with. And it'll definitely help people who's looking to take their knowledge, skills, and experience and passion and turn it into a business and leverage the internet in the process. It's definitely will help you also in the process of showing you what that looks like, so you can understand and see that, hey, what it's going to take to make that happen won't be easy, but if you got a path to success with you, then it makes that journey that much more enjoyable. So again, I've been in the industry of tax preparation for the last 19 years, the last 13 years as a business owner. And so I have my own mentorship and coaching program that I brought to the internet through my coach, who showed me and gave me the knowledge and wisdom and insight and training and education that I needed to help me to do that. And I got my own digital products together now, thanks to her. So, it's all about creating your own economy, creating a better business. Workshop is what it's all about. So if you already have a business, this workshop is here to help you create it better. And if you're looking to bring a business to the marketplace, this workshop that's definitely for free will definitely help you to make that happen for yourself. So, like I said, if you register for the workshop, go to the Facebook group. Please answer the 3 questions to the best of your ability. Just don't leave it blank. And then forward me the verification email that you registered, and I can send you over the clarity worksheet, which is going to ask you a series of questions so you can get clear on what type of business model you want to bring to the marketplace for you. Is the real important piece of that puzzle. Because a lot of people, have knowledge and skills and passions and all that, but they have no clue on how to take that and package it in such a way and bring it to the internet and make a business out of it and start to generate income from it. And so if you're looking to learn how to make that part of that process happen for you, you're clueless on how to make it do what it do like I was, then attend this free workshop. Because after this free workshop, I doubt if you come across another one again that she'll be doing, because all of my products that I create cost a fee. The free value that I give you is allowing you to go to my YouTube channel and learn about me is what I give away for our free stuff. But as far as my ebook, that's a fee. I mentioned the coaching program, that's a fee. My tax preparation course, that's a fee. My software course that I've created is a fee. So I have 4 products already that has a fee attached to them that's going to allow me to generate income from them as I get great at marketing and advertising my business, building my brand, building exposure, building my audience. And those are things that's going to help me to create my own economy, be in charge of the core process of my business. And what I do is the important piece. The tools and resources that we use to help streamline the process and make things much easier, we have no control over, but the core piece of my business is the true part of creating my own economy is all up to me. I have control of all that. So if an autoresponder that I use to build my list shuts down, I can always go out there and find another vendor for that. You know, so it's the tools and resources we can find and replace through other vendors who come along to make up the difference as other businesses come and go. But the core business model that I bring is me. I'm the reason for the season. I'm the reason the business is able to do what it do because my knowledge, my experience, my insight, and my training for the 19 years, 13 years as a business owner is what I bring to the marketplace with my mentorship and coaching program that's designed to help new business owners who looking to get started for the first time but don't have a clue on how to make that happen because like I was new 19 years ago who didn't have a clue, you fall into the same situation. And so I thought about you and people who came after me who started every year bringing their tax business to the marketplace but have no one to work with. They're trying to figure it out all on their own. And I'm not mad at you. I'm not saying, hey, it's right or wrong, but if you see the value in connecting with someone who has the knowledge and experience and insight and training that's going to help you fast track your success to get you where you want to go inside your business, that's the most smartest route you can ever take. And I'll see you in my next video.